In this video, you'll learn how to effectively organize your business using Notion. This guide will walk you through a series of steps to set up a structured workspace that enhances productivity and collaboration. Start by navigating to the website by entering, quote, Notion.so, quote, in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage, which features various options to log in or sign up for an account. If you already have an account, proceed to sign in using your credentials. After signing in, locate the drop-down menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. This menu allows you to access different features and templates offered by Notion. Next, select the option labeled Templates from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to a page showcasing various templates available for different purposes, helping you to get started quickly with your organization. Once on the templates page, look for the button titled Marketplace and click on it. This will redirect you to the Notion Marketplace, where you can browse a wider selection of templates created by other users. In the Marketplace, find the search bar and type Business Organizer to look for templates specifically designed for business organization. This search will help you narrow down your options to those most relevant to your needs. After entering your search term, a list of templates will appear. Review the options and choose a template that suits your business organization style. Click on the selected template to view more details about it. Once you have chosen a template, look for the button labeled Add and click on it. This step initiates the process of adding the template to your Notion workspace, allowing you to customize it according to your requirements. After that, click on the option that says Add to Private. This ensures that the template is saved to your personal workspace, where you can access and modify it at any time. You will see a message stating, template is being added. Wait a moment for the system to process this request. This confirmation indicates that your selected template is now being integrated into your workspace. Once the template has been successfully added, you will see another message that states template is ready. This lets you know that you can now start using the template for your business organization. Next, click on the option See Template to access the newly added template. This will open up the template in your workspace, allowing you to begin customizing it to fit your specific needs. Within the template, locate the section labeled Contracts and Legal Documents and click on it. This section is typically designed to help you manage important legal documents related to your business. Then navigate to the Active section and click on it. This area will display all currently active documents, making it easier for you to keep track of your ongoing projects. Next, click on the Draft section. This section is useful for managing documents that are still in progress, allowing you to organize your workflow effectively. After that, select the Expired section. This part helps you keep track of documents that are no longer active, which is important for maintaining an organized workspace. Now, proceed to click on By Type. This option allows you to categorize your documents based on their types, helping you to quickly locate specific files when needed. Next, click on All to view every document available in the template. This comprehensive view provides an overview of all your business documents in one place. Then, select by category to sort your documents according to their categories. This organization method can improve your efficiency when searching for particular documents. Finally, click on SOPs to access your standard operating procedures. This section is crucial for documenting your business processes, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next